Hello guys, it's my pleasure. Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Jose Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Type Mask tool in Adobe Photoshop. So before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about Photoshop, you'll be able to learn one or two things in the video. So in today's class, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can use horizontal type mask tool. Okay, now horizontal type mask tool, it can be used on any surface. It can be used on texture, it can be used on a pattern. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm going to take in this video and see how you can use the horizontal type mask tool. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I have my texture here. I have my my pictures here, which is a banana leaf. Okay, so when you import your picture or texture or whatsoever you want to apply the effect on, you have to make sure that you come to the layer panel of the particular picture and make sure you unlock it. How do you do that? You just double click on the layer. So when you double click on it, it's going to automatically unlock. Okay, so when you unlock the layer, so the next step you have to take is to come to the toolbar here and oh sorry, having so you have to come to the type tools here, right click on it. So when I click on it, you are going to choose horizontal type mask tool. Okay, so when you select that, you have to come to the Photoshop workspace and you can change your font style from the home tab here, and you can do whatsoever as far as the font is concerned. So the other thing you can do here is now that so you can change the format of the type. So you can change to left alignment, and you can also change the color by click on this point here, and the color is going to pop up, and you choose your particular color of your choice. So I'm going to fill this one with black and click on OK. So I'm going to change the direction. Now the next thing you have to do is to drag and all over the surface. Okay, when you drag all over the surface, so this is how it's going to look like. So the next thing you have to do here, you can just make a type. So I'm going to type love. So I'm going to press Ctrl A to select the type. And then I'm going to come to the home tab here and increase the font size. So I can continue to increase the font size until I'm satisfied with the result. So let me put it in 100%. So when you're satisfied with the font size and all that, then you have to come to the top here and click on this check mark to accept. So it's going to give you a particular points of selection. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is that you have to come to the home tab here and look for edit. And after looking for edit, you have to look for copy special. Then copy merge. So you can see the command key here, shift key plus control, click on it. So after making a copy, you have to come back here and go to edit again. And look for paste, or you press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Okay, now you have been successfully copied the stuff. You have to come to the layer here, right click on the layer and then look for blending options. Now we can work with the layer style. You can add drop shadow. So we can increase the drop shadow size. So we can change the angle from 30 degree to 90 degree. Then we can increase the distance. Then we can add stroke. Can increase the size. Then we can change the stroke color. Double click on here and you can pick the color from this point here. Then you can click on OK. Then we can reduce the stroke width. Then we can turn down the stroke width opacity. And you can fall back to the drop shadow. You can increase the shadow again. And I click on OK. So guys, this is how you can use horizontal text marquee tool and horizontal layer type mask in Adobe Photoshop. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you like this video, give video a big thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to subscribe for more interesting video like this in Adobe Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.